Knuckle cracking is a common habit that many assume leads to arthritis, yet scientific studies show no direct link. In trials, repeated cracking did not raise arthritis risk and often felt relieving. The crack comes from gas bubbles in synovial fluid and is not harmful to joints. Medical experts warn against forcing joints or pain, which could signal an underlying issue beyond a casual pop. The myth persists because anecdotes spread faster than data, but solid evidence supports cautious restraint when pain or swelling appears.